It's really critical to me to zero in on that student in the extreme particular. It always begins with when I met the student, how I came to know the student, and what first struck me about that student. It then explains what kind of potential I saw in that student at the time and where I thought they were going. Then it heads into a description of what they have actually done here, and it pulls out some bits from the CV and highlights them. And then I transition in what the student wants to do next. So ideally, it's a narrative that's going to pull all the way through the student's career at Purdue, from the time that they arrived here, how they developed, under what pressures they developed, and what they want to do with the energy that they've accumulated while they were here during this time. I asked myself, what's the most striking thing about the student for whom I'm writing? What's the thing that most leaps out to me about them? And I lead with that. So I focus on that trait, and then I try to trace how that trait has influenced all of the things that they've done, and I use it to link together some of the most important things on the CV.
Is I start with an outline the points that I want to make in that letter, actually the topics that I want to cover, and then specific points under each topic. Then I can go back, write a topic sentence for each paragraph, and fill in the information on the specific points. If you can't write something perfectly the first time, get something down on paper. You know, even if it's a stream of consciousness, if you get it on paper, you can always go back and revise and reorganize.